Hello student, this is a video of Maths 2. Lesson number 5 is going on, that is coordinate geometry, and it is a video number 8 of the lesson coordinate geometry. In the first part of this lesson we completed the distance formula and the examples related to the distance formula. After that, in previous video I explained you about the two more formulae, that is section formula and midpoint formula, and today we will see the third formula related to the division of segment, that is centroid formula. So to understand the centroid formula, we will see the diagram of triangle first. What is meant by centroid, that first to try to remember. So see, it is a triangle. A, B, C is the triangle. And each triangle has three sides, that means there are three medians. So AX is one median, you know the meaning of median. Then BY is second median, and CZ is the third median. Median means the segment which joins the vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side. So A is the vertex, opposite side is BC, and X is the midpoint of BC. So AX is median. Similarly, BY is also median and CZ is also median. So each triangle has three medians, and these three medians are concurrent. Medians of the triangles are concurrent. Concurrent means they are intersecting each other in one point. So suppose here we will say point G. So G is the point where three medians are intersecting each other, and so the point G is called as point of concurrence. But this is a point of concurrence of the three medians, so this point is called as centroid. This already you finished from 7th standard. I am just revising it. So this point is called as centroid. And one more rule related to the centroid you finished in 8th and 9th standard. The centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. This also you should remember because it is useful when we are completing this point. So you should know that centroid divides the median. That means G is the centroid, AX is the median. So centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. That means AG is 2 and GX is 1. CG is 2 and GZ is 1. BG is 2 and GY is 1. So centroid is dividing the median into the ratio 2:1. So this property or this rule you should remember. So the centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Now this is all about centroid. Today we are going to see centroid formula in coordinate geometry. So suppose AX is a median and the coordinates of A are given x1 and y1, and the coordinates of x are x2, y2, and the coordinates of G are then x and y. So here we can, if you know the coordinates of A and x, then we can find out the coordinates of G using the centroid formula. And the centroid formula I am writing it here. So two coordinates are there, x and y. So to find the x coordinate of the centroid, the formula is x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. And to find the formula, to find the coordinates of y, the formula is y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So these are the formulas to get the coordinates of x and y. So three vertices are there for the triangle. I showed you the vertices of A. Just see the diagram. So the vertices of A are x1, y1. Vertices of B are x2, y2, and the vertices of C are x3, y3. If the coordinates of all three vertices are given, and if you want to find out the coordinates of the centroid, then by using these two formulae, we will get the coordinates of the centroid. X formula with this, x coordinate with this formula, and y coordinate with this formula. Also you can use this formula simultaneously in this way. Yesterday I showed you it for the midpoint formula and also the section formula. So in the bracket the first coordinate is of x, so x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So this way simultaneously you can solve it and you will get the x coordinate and y coordinate of the centroid. So here we finish the three formula related to the division of the segment. Yesterday we started this point, and now tomorrow in the next video we will start the exercise number or practice set number 5.2. So what is the homework then? You revise the three formulae which I gave you. First one is section formula, second one is a midpoint formula, and third one is centroid formula. Revise them. Try to understand the meaning which coordinates are given, which we are finding. Keep it in mind. Not only learning it by heart, but you should know the every meaning of every point. Then tomorrow we will see the exercise 5.2. Thank you.